Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to put bullet point side by side in Google Slide. Let's get started. You can add bullet point side by side using table or text box. Firstly, I will create table. Go to Insert menu, Table, insert the row and column and put the text and select the text and insert the bullet point. Go to Format menu, Bullet and Numbering, Bullet List and select a bullet list. Now select the table and go to border color and transparent. Now go to Tools menu and click the text box. Insert the text copy the text box and insert the text again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.